मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ते जा रहा हूँ, फिर मुझे क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? ट्रेडिंग व्यू। तो उसके लिए फिर क्या करना पड़ेगा? ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे आना पड़ेगा। एक बार ये हो गया, इसके बाद फिर तुम ये करोगे। वो तुम्हें आ गया ना बेसिकली समझने के। और लाख पे पूरा होगा कम्युनिकेशन। तो तुम्हारे पास यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स आएंगे। यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स के अलावा और क्या आएगा?
दैट मैसेज ये क्या हो गया?
हाँ, तो तुमने इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया, इसको यहाँ पर डालो। मैं बात कर
दूसरे
रहा हूँ,
वाले को
मैं
यहाँ
आगे
पे
बढ़ते जा रहा हूँ, फिर मुझे क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? ट्रेडिंग व्यू। तो उसके लिए ड्रैग करके वापस गया और स्टॉक मार्केट वेबसाइट पे। एक बार ये हो गया, इसके बाद फिर तुम ये करो। वो स्क्रीन पे कभी मत लेके जाओ, वो तुम्हें आ गया ना बेसिकली समझने के। और लाख पे पूरा होगा कम्युनिकेशन। तो तुम्हारे पास यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स आएंगे। तुम फिर अटकोगे वहाँ। यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स के अलावा और क्या आएगा?
दैट मैसेज
तुमने ये
ये
क्या
क्या
बोला?
हो गया?
इसको पोस्ट करो। हाँ, तो तुमने इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया, इसको यहाँ पर डालो। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ते जा रहा हूँ, फिर मुझे क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? ट्रेडिंग व्यू। तो क्लिक कर दिया, इसको वापस गया और स्टॉक मार्केट वेबसाइट पे। एक बार ये हो गया, इसके बाद फिर तुम ये करो। वो स्क्रीन पे कभी मत लेके जाओ, वो तुम्हें आ गया ना बेसिकली समझने के। और लाख पे पूरा होगा कम्युनिकेशन। तो तुम्हारे पास यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स आएंगे। तुम फिर अटकोगे वहाँ। यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स के अलावा यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है?
आ रहा है।
ऑडियो इनपुट दिख रहा है ना। वो ग्रुप में लिख दो, स्टार्टिंग इन 3 मिनट्स। इस पे लिखो ना, तुम मोबाइल का हमेशा यूज करते हो, तुम्हारा यहाँ पे खोला है, अब उस पे टाइप करो। ग्रुप में जाओ, ऊपर। अब देखो तुम किस पे हो, इस पे आवाज आता है। और बाय पिच तीन है।
हाँ। So hello and welcome. I'm myself Chintan Pandya, prop trader and a trainer. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the today's live section of stock market. I am Chintan Pandya, a professional trader, and I'm super excited to have all of you. Before we begin, I want to know where are you from all joining from? Type your city in the comments box, please. Also, let's do a quick sound check. If you can hear me, type yes in the chats, please. Yes. Many are joining. I know many of you are might be at different stage of trading journey. Some of might be beginners, some of might be advanced level, and some of might be professional levels. So type 1 if you are a beginner, type 2 if you are a professional, and type 3 if you are a pro trader. Let me know in the comment section. Before we get started, let me ask you one question. What's the biggest challenge you have faced in the stock market? Again, let me ask you one question. What's the biggest challenge you have faced in the stock market till date? Yes. Some of you are saying I don't know how to pick the right stocks. Some of them facing timing is the key. Some of them are saying I make profits but end up losing this. No worries, I have all the solutions. So I promise you, by the end of the session, you will take with a deeper understanding of how to analyze the market, a practical approach of managing your portfolio, and a clear roadmap to improve your trading skills. So make sure you stay with end because I have a surprise earning bonus for you also. If you are ready, type let's go in the chat so I can know. Yes, so everyone ready? So before we deep dive into market, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Chintan Bandia, a professional trader and a trainer. I have been actively trading in Indian markets, global markets, and forex markets. Currently, I was working in Marwadi Shares and Finance in India. I was working with one of the largest broking firms in India. I have managed over 300 million firms in Indian and global markets. Over the years, I have traded beginners, advanced, and pro level traders and managed portfolios over 300 millions and won the top trader award in 2023. Yes. So now I am asking a question to you. How many of you are actively trading options here? Anyone here trading the options here? Please let me know in the comments. If you are trading options, type option in the comment. Or if you are trading stocks, equities, type stocks in the comment section. Okay, great. So whether you trade stocks or options, today's session will help you gain the deeper market perspective. So one of the most important question, why should you listen me? So there's a lot of stock market advice, but I focus on practical, real-time and proven strategies. My approach is based on stock market neutral strategies, risk management, real-time data analysis, and more importantly, I believe in discipline over luck. See, many of you heard people saying trading is a gambling, but I believe trading is a skill, it's not a gamble. Again, I believe trading is a skill, it's not a gamble. Let me ask you, have you ever entered a trade, see it going into profit, but then suddenly it reversed and lost your money? Has anyone experienced the same? Please let me know. Yes, it generally happens to everyone because most of the traders have clear risk reward strategies. We will talk about how to fix that in today's session. Yes. So this was the introduction. Now let's start with the some of the index. So we will analyze the index and bank nifty and nifty. So let's start with the index analysis. So here you can see I have opened the stock trading view. So now let's analyze the movement of the nifty and bank nifty. Let's analyze what's going in the market. Yes, so just a second. So as you can see, I opened the chart of the Nifty 50. There are main basic two indices. First of all, one of them is Nifty, and other one, as you can see, is Sensex. There are two major indices in Indian markets, and third one is of Bank Nifty, which consists of mainly 50 of banks. So let's start with Nifty. What's going on with Nifty? Yes, the Nifty 50 is currently trading at 948 levels to 22,948 levels with a down of around 1.3%. while the Sensex is trading at 75,570 levels with down of 724 levels with 1% down. Yes. So the today's market opened at, as you can see, 23,190, while current level is 2,946. One of the major factors affecting today's market is, as you have heard the word Trump tariff. Yes. From the past 2 days, the US markets and global markets have bleeded over 4 to 5% recently due to the Trump tariffs. Recently, Trump had implied the tariffs of 25% in Indian markets, in auto industries and metal industries. Yes. So, anyone of you are holding Nifty futures of stock? Please let me know. Type yes if you are holding. Type no if you are not holding. Anyone? Yes, so looks like some of are holding stocks and some of you are holding futures. If you are holding stocks, strong sector, this might be a good time to trade yourself at your stop loss and let's your profit run. But if your stocks in weak sector, be cautious and look for signs, look for reversals before trading. Don't buy a stock blindly or any tips, any advices. So again a question. Which sector are you most bullish on right now? Please let me know in comment. Please type your favorite sector. IT, banking, whether it is FMCG, whether it's energy, whether it's auto sector, whether it's IT sector. Please let me know in comments. Yeah. So some of you are holding auto stocks, some of you are holding automobile stocks, some of you are holding banking stocks. So let me give you a sector wise analysis. For short term, I will give you three stock. We will analyze three stocks step by step by fundamental by technical analysis. So first of all, the stock we are going to do analysis is Tata Motors. So let's analyze Tata Motors from different perspective. So we are going to analyze Tata Motors. The Tata Motors stocks belongs to an auto sector. Currently, it is a mid-cap company. So let's see the Tata Motors. The current market price of Tata Motors is around 600. As you can see on the screen, the current market of Tata Motors is 615 levels, while 6% down from its current high. In today's market, Tata Motors is down 6%. So anyone of you are holding Tata Motors? Please let me know. Anyone holding Tata Motors? Please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so some of you are might be holding Tata Motors. Please write the entry levels, write the which level where you buy Tata Motors and what is your time frame, what is your analysis in. Please type yes. So as you can see, I opened the chart of the Tata Motors in the daily time frame. So we are, as you can see, the Tata Motors have erased the gain of past 4 to 5 days in a single day. Tata Motors is down due to Trump has announced auto. As you know, Trump has announced auto tariffs on the Indian markets of around 25% yesterday. Yes, the another stock one which is trending at high. Anyone holding Bharti Airtel, please let me know in comment section. The other stock is Bharti Airtel. Yes, these stocks belongs to telecommunication sector along with Reliance. The Bharti Airtel is one of the biggest stocks of the industries. Its competitors are Reliance Industries. Second one is Bharti Airtel itself, and third one is Vodafone Idea, and the fourth one is Indus Towers. The four stocks handle the current industry. So let's analyze the stock Bharti Airtel. Yes. So we are going to analyze Bharti Airtel stock. So as you can see, Bharti Airtel is trending at all-time high, generally down 1 or 2% from the all-time high. So anyone of you holding Bharti Airtel, please comment. Please let me know in comment section. Looks like no one is holding Bharti Airtel, right? Yes, so Bharti Airtel is trending at a breakout level. Oh, current level is 1755. Above 1780, a breakout can happen and Bharti Airtel can go further away. Yes, the targets would be Bharti Airtel can go 1810 rupees. The Bharti Airtel stock can go to 1810 rupees. So the third stock we are taking is HDFC Bank. Did anyone know about the recent news in HDFC Bank? Please let me know in comments. Did anyone know about the recent news? The news came itself today. Nobody? Okay. Yes. So Bharti Airtel is one of the leading banks in India. Currently comes under Bank Nifty section. As I can see, Bank Nifty is trading in positive section while Nifty is trading in negative territory. So we are going to analyze HDFC Bank, the one of the leaders of the Indian markets. Yes. So as you can see, Bharti Airtel is also HDFC Bank is also trading near all-time high. Current market price of HDFC Bank is 1826 rupees, while the all-time high of HDFC Bank is 1818 rupees. So now my question is, what should an investor do in HDFC Bank? Should he hold? Should he sell? Should yes. So please let me know what should an investor do in the HDFC Bank stock. My mistake. Raptor 2460 is saying too much in stock market. Raptor, can I know in which segment do you trade? Do you trade in options? Do you trade in futures? Can I know please? Looks like Raptor is not there. Okay, no issues. So we are going to analyze HDFC stock. As you can see, HDFC Bank is trading at a near all-time high levels. Yes. So Raptor is saying I trade in stocks. Can I know in which stocks or which stock do you make loss? Sure. As you can see, the HDFC Bank is at 18 and 1800 levels, while the Bank Nifty, the banking index, is currently up by 50 points, 0.10 percentage. So, anyone trading Bank Nifty options? Anyone trading Nifty options? Please let me know. Yes. So, Raptor is saying Reliance Industries. He is trading in Reliance Industries. Yes. As you can see, I opened the monthly chart of Reliance Industries. Yes, so may I know your buying level in Reliance Industries, please? The Reliance Industries is trading one of the biggest leader of the Indian stock market, while it is currently trading at 1197 rupees. It's 4.14% down at today's market. As you can see, the Reliance Industries is down around to 28.5% from its current high. Yes, sure. I can talk about the current market levels. I opened the chart of Nifty index, the Nifty 50, the one of the major index of Indian markets. There are two index, Nifty and Sensex. The other one is Bank Nifty index. While the main trading happens at BSE and NSE, the BSE is located in Bombay. Yes. Bombay, Mumbai, India. So let's analyze the index. Let's analyze the index Nifty 50. So I opened the 1 day chart. We are going to analyze through different four charts: 1 day chart, 1 month chart, 1 week chart, and 1 hour chart. So starting from the bigger indices, I opened the 1 month chart. So the in monthly time frame, Nifty 50 is down around 16.14%. Nifty 50 made its high around 26,200 odd levels in around 7 to 8 months back. It has corrected over 16.40, around 17%, due to tariff news, due to bad earnings, and due to bad economy. There may be another reasons, but the main three reasons I am saying that this is the main three reasons. So in monthly chart, Nifty is continuously falling from past 7 to 8 months, while current level of Nifty is 22,961. So we are going to see 1 week chart. So as you can see in weekly chart, the last week rebound, the Nifty rebounded around 4.4%, while in the hope of no tariff. But again, Nifty started falling from around 23,800 odd levels. Raptor is saying I took Reliance at 1500 levels. Raptor, you took at very high levels. I suggest you should wait for some retracement of Reliance. Let's analyze Reliance also again. Yes, so as you can see, Nifty 50 chart, the current weekly structure is also bad. Current weekly structure in Nifty is also bad. Yes, as you can see, Nifty is falling continuously from past to 7-8 months. So now we will analyze the Nifty daily chart. Yes. So in daily, so I opened the chart of Nifty 50 in daily time frame. So in daily time frame, Nifty has continuous rally over past week over 4%, giving an excellent rally of around 1500 points. But from today, in today's market, Nifty has fallen around 295 levels, while giving the fall of 1.27%. So now let's analyze the 1 hour chart. Yes, the 1 hour chart of Nifty also looks bad. Yes, as you can see, the Nifty opened around. Yes, this is the 1 hour chart of Nifty of today's session. As you can see, the Nifty 50 are opened around the levels of 23,208 levels, while continuous in single candle, it has given a fall of around 300 points and trading sideways since 2 to 3 hours. So we are going to next see Bank Nifty charts. Let's see the difference between the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. While the Nifty trading at lower levels, the Bank Nifty is near an all-time high. We can say near an all-time high levels. Yes. As you can see, the Bank Nifty has made the high 54,250 months over 3 months ago. So currently it's trading at 51,650 odd levels. So are you invested in any banking stocks? Please let me know in comments. Anyone of you invested in banking stocks? Please. Looks like no one is invested in Bank Nifty stocks. Yes. So how it's possible that Nifty is in downtrend and Bank Nifty is in uptrend? Is it possible that one indices can go up, one index can go down? Is it possible according to market conditions? What could be the reason? Please tell me in the comment section. Anyone, any guesses? Yes. So let me know you the reason. The reason for the up move in banking sector is the HDFC Bank. Yesterday night, HDFC Bank reported its quarterly result, which was one of the largest bank in India. The quarterly, yes, as you can see, HDFC Bank reported its financial earnings, which was one of the largest bank in India. The financial reports was very good, so Today, HDFC Bank stock opened around 1.5% or 2% higher in the pre-market. Yes. So, right now, I am going to give you one tip. Three biggest psychological mistakes a trader makes in the market. How many of you got a stock because everyone are talking, maybe on the Twitter or WhatsApp group? How many of you? Please let me know in comments. Do you bought do you ever bought any stock based on tips, Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp stocks? Yes, generally FOMO leads to be an emotional buying at worst possible time, right? Right when smart traders are selling. So, is there any solution we can avoid that? If anyone has solution, please let me know. Looks like no one has solution. Yes. So this is called the revenge trading, and it's the fastest way, one of the fastest way to blow your account. Does it have any solution? Does anyone have this solution? Please let me know. Looks like no one has the stock solution. Okay. So I can give you one solution. When you hit your daily stop loss limit, stop trading. Just stop trading and walk away and reset your mindset. That's the best solution I can give. Yes. So there are some portfolio mistakes one can make. The first one is some traders hold 20 plus stock thinking it's safe. Is it safe to hold? Is it safe to hold as many as stock possible? Please let me know. Should a trader hold one stock? Should a trader hold two stocks? Or should a trader hold all the stocks at a one time? Please let me know. Anyone? Yes, so in reality, some traders are holding 20 plus stocks is thinking it's safe, but in reality, they even can't track them properly. Do you track your stocks properly? Please let me know. Do you ever track your stocks daily? Anyone? Yes. The solution for this is fix your portfolio by making five or ten stocks. Yes. Does anyone holding losses in current market? Anyone with any stocks holding with stop? Please let me know. Looks like no one is holding losses. Myself itself holding losses. Yes. So now I am going to ask you some questions. Are you ready for it? Yes. Reliance at 1500 levels. Okay, no issues. Yes. So my question is, what's the maximum risk you should take in a single trade according to professional traders? Is it 1%, is it 5%, or is it 10%? This is about the single trade. Anyone? Please comment below. Yes, again, what's the maximum risk one should take on a single trade according to professional traders? 1%, 2%, 5%, or 10%? Raptor is saying I have took Mahindra at 2800 odd levels. Just a second, we will go back to Raptor. Yes, so my second question is, which is a better risk reward? A risk to make 500 to make 100, or risk 100 rupees to make 500 rupees? Please let me know in the comment section. Yes, so again, Which is a better risk reward ratio? A risk of 500 rupees to make a 1000 rupees means 1 is to 2 risk reward, or risk 1000 rupees to make a 500 rupees with 2 is to 1 risk reward ratio. Which one is good according to you? Please let me know. Yes, generally the first one. We should always take the risk reward ratio as 1 is to 2. A trader investing 1 rupee should make a profit of 2 rupees or more than that. So now let's come to M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. Yes. So this is the chart of the stock Mahindra and Mahindra. As Hector said, he or she is holding from the 2800 levels. This is the monthly chart of Mahindra and Mahindra. So as you can see, Mahindra and Mahindra is standing near the, it's one of the major supports of 2544, 2544 rupees. Looks interesting. Yes. As you can see, it is forming double bottom pattern. Yes. This is the pattern and this is the target. Now what should an investor do? Yes, as you can see, this is the double bottom pattern in the stock Mahindra and Mahindra. In today's market, M&M is flat despite of its other stocks. Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, Ashok Leyland are down heavily. Mahindra and Mahindra is trading flat. Yes. So we are going to see 1 hour movements. So in 1 hour, as you can see, it has formed a bullish engulfing candle indicating a strong bullish reversal in 1 hour chart. So as per me, Mahindra and Mahindra is forming a double bottom pattern with a strict stop loss of 2546. If 2546 is broken, Mahindra and Mahindra is going to test it to 2300 levels also, according to me. Yes, so this is the pattern of Mahindra stock M&M. Generally, Nifty is trading around 300 points, while M&M is trading around flat to positive, which is very good according to market conditions. So yeah, we are at trading quiz. Yes. So my two questions was, what's the maximum risk you should take on a single trade according to you? Anyone? Raptor 2460 is asking, what are the broader market indices showing? Yes. So we will analyze the broader market indices. Let's start with the broader market indices of America. So I am going to open the chart of DJI, Dow Jones. Excuse me. Dow Jones Industrial Index has fallen over around, yes, fallen around 10.2 12% in past few weeks or past few months. As you can say, what can be the news? Can anyone guess? Yes, it has witnessed the single biggest year fall of the day, around 1500. Yes, as you can see, 1679 points with over 4% down. Yes, what could be the reason? Can anyone tell me, please? No one? Okay. So I myself tell the reason. The reason was US equity bear the brunt of Trump tariffs. Yes, the Trump has applied the tariff over 3rd of March around 12 p.m. So around that index is fall over 4%. Now let's analyze the other indices of global markets is Nasdaq. Yes, so this is the chart of the Nasdaq. Just a second. Yes. So I opened the chart of Nasdaq 100, 1 day chart of Nasdaq 100. So as you can see, Nasdaq has fallen over 9.7% in just a week. The reason was the same, the Trump tariff. So let's see in a weekly chart. Yes, over the week, Nasdaq had made a top around Monday, 17th of February, and from that it has fallen over 18% in around less than 1 month. The reason is the same, the Trump tariffs. So let's see the chart of S&P 500 now. Yes. So the same SPX has also fallen around 12.23%, worrying the recession fears, and also the CPI inflation data, the last CPI inflation data also not came good. So the S&P index has also fallen 12.23%. Yes. As you can see, S&P is made in continuous red candles. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 candles. It has made 8 candles on weekly chart, indicating a bearish trend, a highly bearish trend. And as you can see, S&P index wipes over 500, over $2 trillion as Trump says tariff response is going very well. The another index we are going to look is DAX. The DAX is the main index of Germany. Anyone know about DAX index? Please let me know in comments. Anyone has idea about the DAX index? Okay, no issues. So we are going to analyze the DAX index. As you can see, the DAX index was consolidating from past few days. Let me a second. Yes, this was the DAX index. It was consolidating from past few sessions, giving a breakdown in yesterday's session. It has given a breakdown of 22,000 odd levels and fallen 500 points, means 500 points, around 1.2% on yesterday's session due to the Trump tariff. What's the monthly chart? We can analyze the monthly chart. Yes, as you can see, the DAX has continuous rallied over 60% from its lower levels. It has made a low of 14,600 levels in December 2023. From there, it has rallied over 60%, while it has currently recently made a stop around 23,500 levels, while it is down currently at 2,000 points at 21,500 levels. Yes. So this is the DAX index. So anyone holding stocks in losses? So I will give you the best tips of risk management and trading psychology. So a trader can make better profits and investor can make better profits in longer term. So let's see the what investor is making a real mistake. So it's the main thing is trading psychology, relative struggle. Have you ever faced the situation where you made the profit in morning and lost all of you made, and end of the day you have made the losses? Please comment. Anyone? Or how many of you have seen your trade hit the stop loss only for the stock go in your favor later? Has this thing happened with you? Please comment. Okay, no worries. If this has happened to you, don't worry, you are not alone. I was also once a beginner. I have also made the mistake, but from the mistakes, I have learned few things, which is I am going to take you. I am going to teach you. Sorry. Yes, most traders struggle not because the lack of knowledge, because the lack of right mindset and discipline. So, are you managing your risk? Are you managing your risk properly? What are your risk reward ratio? Please let me know in comments. What are the risk reward ratio of a trader? Generally, what a trader should manage the risk? Please, no one. Okay, no issues. So there are some basic mistakes which I am going to share with everyone, which I have made. So I think you should not made it in the future. I will share by my experience. The first one is FOMO. What is FOMO? Do you know about FOMO? Anyone? Anyone know about FOMO? Please let me know in the comments. Yes, the FOMO means fear of missing out. Whenever an investor misses the rally, he think it will go higher or it will go lower in options trading. So it will buy at current market price rather than thinking the trading psychology, risk management. There are many things. Yes. So my question is, how many of you bought stock? Everyone is talking about it. Does anyone has brought people favorite stock like Tata Motors, Reliance, Suzlon Energy, Paytm, Idea? Does anyone? Please let me know. Yes. So the FOMO leads to an emotional buying at the worst possible time. Agreed with me? Anyone agree with me? FOMO leads to emotional buying at the worst possible time, right when the smart traders are steady. Do you know about FI and DIS? Anyone knowing about FI and DIS, the foreign investors and current local investors, domestic investors? Okay. Is there any solution? We can escape the FOMO. Is there any solution? If anyone has, please let me know in the comments. Okay, the solution is always wait for a proper setup. Do anyone has and anyone have a proper setup? If not, please let me in the comments. Let me know in the comments. I can teach you. Okay. If you have missed the move, don't chase it. There will another always be another opportunities. Remember, stock markets opens daily from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So there's no FOMO I should make. The another one is psychological mistake a trader make is revenge trading. Does anyone has done revenge trading? Like if I lost around 10 rupees today in the morning session, I will buy more and more and even ended up making loss of 100 rupees at the end. Does anyone does the same mistake? Please let me know. Raptor is saying I don't know about FIDIs. No worries. I will let you know by the end of session. No worries. Okay. So we are talking about revenge trading. Have you ever lost a money on trade and immediately taken another trade to recover the money? Happens with you? Please let me know. Yes, this is the fastest way to blow your account. This is the fastest way to blow your account. Is there any solution? Can anyone give me a solution to this? No solution? Look like no solution. The only solution is when you hit your daily stop loss, when you hit your daily stop loss, stop trading, just walk away from the screen and reset your mindset. This is the only solution. Yes. So we are analyzing the DEX markets. As you can see, the current Nifty has recovered around 50 to 70 points from its lower levels. Yes. So someone was asking about me FI and DIs. Yes. So let's know about the FI and DIs. Just a second. Yes. So there are basically two parties. First one is FI. The FI means foreign institutional investors, and the second one is DIs. The second one is DIs, domestic institutional investors. The both parties buy and sell the equal amount to manage the ups and downs in the Indian markets or in any world markets. The third one is probes. The third one is probes. The probes means retailers. Retailers which mean. So FI means the investors who are outside of India who can invest in India from the international levels, while the DIs are the local ones who are investing from the Indian only. Yes. So this was the about FIs and DIs. So we are on Nifty 50 chart. We are going to analyze 1 hour time frame. Yes. So could anyone tell what should be the next move of Nifty 50? Anyone? What should be the next move of Nifty 50? No one? Okay. So let me provide a solution. Nifty 50 is making a base at current levels. Yes. As you can see, Nifty 50 is making a base at these levels, around 926 levels, 22,926 levels. If this level breaks, we are going to see a downfall of around 300 to 400 points in Nifty 50. While if this supports hold, we are going to rebound and see a rally of 23,200. It can go up to 23,200, 23,400 also. It can go up to test previous resistance of 23,800. While if the support breaks, it can fall up to this zone. Yes, the zone I am mentioning. Yes, it can fall up to 22,553 levels. While if the 22,503 levels also not all, the only major support coming in Nifty 50 is around 22,400 levels and 22,300 levels. So this was the analysis of Nifty 50. So we are talking about the trading psychology. So back to that, there are some psychological mistakes a trader is making. First one is the holding the losses. Most of the traders do opposite. What should it do? They should cut profits quickly, but they are holding. Ever happened with you? You are holding a stock with one of the biggest loss of your life. Ever happened with you? Please comment. No one. Looks like no one is making losses. Okay, that's a not sign of a successful trader. A successful trader always cut the losses at the minimal or zero losses, while a beginner is holding the losses at the peak. So The best mantra of successful trader is the follow the cut your loss shorts, let your profit run. Again, I am repeating, cut your losses for the short, let your profit run. Is there any solution that one should not make or make less losses? Is there any solution? Please let me know. No solution? Okay, I can give you one solution. Always, yes, the solution is always trade with a stop loss and a proper exit plan. Like, yes, if I give you an example, I have made the entry around 22,900 level. This is just for example and reference levels, not trade recommendation. Yes, suppose I have made the yes, just a second. So we are going to do a live example trading. Suppose I have taken the entry at this level. Yes, so this level is my entry around 22,939 level. Yes, so according to a trader, what should be the stop loss and what should be the profit? What should be the targets? Please let me know. Anyone? Again asking, according to you, what should be the entry level, what should be the stop loss level, and what should be the target profits? Okay, so let's begin with the candle. If it is formed, it's called, yes, as you can see, this candle, particular candle. This candle is called bearish engulfing candle. It has generally attracted the more sellers. While if we are taking a long entry, yes, if we are taking the long entry, the stop loss should be this zone, 929 levels on daily closing basis. While if you are taking the short entry, some of you might sorting the index. So if you are sorting the index, your stop loss should be this level, 23,200. Just a second. Yes. So this is the entry for long. SL is 22,900 levels. This is the entry for short. SL for short is 23,200 levels. Now, what should be the ideal target for this both trades? Comment in the section if you are taking long trade or if you are taking short trade. Please let me know. Please comment. Are you taking a long trade or are you taking a short trade? Are you bullish on market or are you bearish on markets? Anyone? Okay. So let's assume the case one. I am taking an entry for long trades. So for this, just a second. So let's assume I am taking a long trade in Nifty 50. am taking a long trade. So my SL is 22,900, which is around 50 points from the current level. So it should be better. My target will be always 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. So what should be my target? Could anyone tell in the comment section, please? Yes, exactly. My first target should be this level. My first target should be 23,250 levels. Second target should be 23,400 levels. Yes. These are my two targets. Writing here also. Yes. So this was the trade for the long entry. Now coming to the short side. Anyone wants to short the market, what should be the ideal stop loss, what should be the ideal target, and what should be the current market price, and what should be the instrument to enter the trade. Should I enter derivatives trade, should I enter options trade, or should I short the equity or buy the equity? Please let me know in the comments. Please let me know your thoughts. Anyone? No one? No issues. So if we are sorting the market, yes, just a second. If you are sorting the market from the high of 23,200 levels, which is around 250 to 300 levels, yes, so the first target should be 22,755 levels. The second target would be 22,500 odd levels. Yes, these are the two targets for the short term and long trades. Yes. Yes, this is the target 22,755. The second target is 22,500. Yes, so I have discussed these two cases with you. The first one is long entry, the second one is short entry. So the current market price is 940, around 950. So if you are going long in the market, keep the SL 22,900 on daily closing basis. Remember, it's a daily closing basis stop loss. So wait for a candle to close in the daily. The target would be 23,250 and 23. The first target would be 23,250 levels. The second target would be 23,400 levels. While if you want to short the market, wait for the price action to come near 22,950 levels. Watch the price action, watch the fundamentals, watch the other sectors how other sectors are performing. If you are shorting the market, the SL would be 23,200, which is also a daily closing. This candle's high. Yes. The reason for the stop loss is this candle is considered as a very powerful candle. So we are pressing the stop loss at 23,200 levels, while the target for shorts is 22,755 levels, the first target, while the second target would be excuse me, the second target would be 22,500 levels. Okay. Now back to the psychology, and the second part I am discussing is risk management. Anyone knows about the risk management stock market? I believe risk management is the most important part of the in the trading and in the stock market. Without risk management, a trader can't even earn a single penny. Anyone about risk management? Do you have any idea of the risk management? Please let me know. Okay. So basically, what does the risk management mean? Risk management means the if you I have 10 rupees, how will I manage? Should I go with all in one? Should I go with 10 parts? Or should I wait? According to you, which condition is better? Should I go all in one or should I wait to take in parts? According to you, which is the better condition? Anyone? Please. No one? Okay. So I am going to explain the three basic rules of the risk management. The first one is the 1% rule. Yes. The second one is risk reward ratio and third one is the position sizing. So any one of you knows about one of these three risk management strategies? Does anyone know about this? Nobody? Okay. Raptor is saying yes. So Raptor, may I know what should you which is the thing you know about the risk management? May I know? Yes, so as we are discussing, there are three rules of risk management. The first rule is 1% rule, the second one is risk reward ratio, and the third one is position sizing. So a basic question: how many of you are trading in Indian options and derivatives? In Indian options and futures? Anyone trading in Indian options and futures, Indian derivatives? Go all in. Okay. According to me, that's the fastest way to blow an account. Okay. No worries. I have also solution. Generally, personally for me, the I have seen over the years, I follow the 1% rule. Yes, it's never risk more than 1% of your capital in a single trade. Should a trader I don't trade derivatives. Okay, no issues. No issues in it. Yes. So where we are, yes, we are at never risk more than 1% of your capital in a single trade. That means if I have 100 rupees, I should always risk 1 rupee so that if by chance I should make loss, I should not worry about it. Yes, that was the rule number first. Raptor, may I know in which segment do you trade? If not derivatives, do you trade in equities? And in equities, in which segment do you trade? May I know, please? Thank you. Yes, the second one is risk reward ratio. And has anyone heard about the risk reward ratio? Has anyone? I will tell you the most of the hedge fund or FIs follows this rule, the risk reward ratio. What is the risk reward ratio? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is the risk reward ratio? Okay. Okay. So let me know about the risk reward ratio. Yes. So the risk reward ratio is only take trades where potential reward is at least 2x. So one another example is as we analyze Nifty chart, see you can see my SL is very small, but my target is always risk reward is always 1:2. Yes, in this, yes, in this you can see my risk is always 1:2, 3, 4, or maybe even further. So as you can see, we have taken this trade in this risk reward ratio is 1:2, 1:3, 1:2. Wherever it goes, we are using trailing stop loss method. Anyone know about trailing stop loss method? Does anyone? No one? Okay. That's the risk reward ratio. Only take trades with potential reward is at least 2 of X. Do you understand? Means if I am taking risking my 100 rupees, minimum I should get is 200 rupees. Not less than that, not more than that. Okay. The third one is position sizing. Please let me know about the position sizing. Anyone has idea about position sizing? Generally, how much funds do you invest? From traders here, how much fund do you invest in stocks? Okay. Raptor is saying did not hear about it. Okay. No issues. I will explain step by step. The basically position sizing is to allocate fund based on risk. Yes. So how may I know how do you allocate funds? Like if I want to buy stock, how do I allocate my fund? I will go all in, I will wait for 2 levels, 3 levels, 4 levels, or I don't invest. I should not invest. No idea? Okay. No issues. I can give you an example of position sizing. If I want to invest 100 rupees, I will always invest first in three parts. This is my personal rule. I will always invest in three parts. The first 33% is I will invest at current market price. The second 33% I will invest at 10% lower levels, and the last the third 33% I will invest at 20%. So in I will invest in total three parts. What's your strategy? Please let me know. I will invest in total three parts, so it's my better position sizing. And the main thing, risk only which you can afford. Risk the only money, hard money which you can afford to lose. Don't put everything into one stock. Yes. So let's go into next slide. A trader mindset. What should be in general a trader mindset should have? Trading is a gambling, trading is a proper method to earn money, or trading is a business? Please let me know. What you know about trading, please let me know. What is position sizing? Okay. Yes. Yes, as I have said, if I want to allocate funds, I will allocate in three parts. So I can afford what can I use. So this is the position sizes. Managing risk is all about the position sizing. I will not put everything, or I can say I will not go all in one in the one stock. This is the position sizing. I will allocate the funds to different sectors. The first one may be the automobile. The second one may be the telecom sector. Third one may be the banking sector. So I should allocate this in this way. This is the mainly based position sizing. Yes. So it has many pros and cons also. So basically, my main motto is don't put everything into a one stock. If a stock goes against you, what should you will do? Instead, diversify the portfolio. Yes, I should say diversify the portfolios. Likewise, diversified portfolios. It includes different sectors, different stocks. Yes, this is the main key of the position sizings. The main solution of this is diversified portfolios. One should invest in different sectors. First of all, the first sector should be a telecom sector. The second should be petrochemical sector. The third could be an index or automobile sector. The fourth one could be banking sectors. Yes. Or if I need to invest in all sectors, generally, for an example, I want to invest in banking sector. Yes, let's say an example. I want to invest in banking sector. The bank nifty is the index of banking sector. So I will invest 30% in SDFC Bank. I will invest 30% in ICICI Bank. I will invest 30% in SBI. Sorry. Yes, I invest some of my fund in SBI. So this is the position sizing and portfolio diversification. So if a stock goes against you, you should not make more than 2 to 5% of your total portfolio loss. Yes. So now, so now let's come to a trader mindset. What do you think about trading? Give me your ideas, please. Is trading a gambling according to you? According to you, what is trading? Please give me an idea. No ideas? Okay. So, for according to me, trading is a business, it's not a game. Yes. We should treat trading with a discipline. Does anyone treat trading with a discipline? Or everyone is doing gambling here? Please let me know in the comments. The main motto, losses are the part of the game. Do you make losses in the trading? Currently I am talking about trading, not investing. So does anyone makes loss in trading? Yes, we are making losses and we are going to that level that we cannot afford that much loss and ended up blowing the account in the revenge trading. So the best solution could be learn to accept small losses and move on. Have I happened with you? Comment me your biggest loss till date. Please comment me your biggest loss and biggest profit and in which stock or which indices did you make the biggest loss or biggest profit. Please let me know. Okay, the another thing in trading is patience. Have you ever heard about patience in trading? Do you have heard about patience in trading? What is patience in trading field? So generally it helps to overcome. So generally patience helps to beat over trading. It helps to overcome over trading. It indicates there are no form buying. I should wait at my price only. I should wait patiently for my price to arrive at these levels. Does anyone using trading setups? Does anyone have trading setups? No one? Okay. The best thing a trader can do is follow your own setup rather than another tips or another WhatsApp groups. Follow your own setup. The main goal in trading is consistency. What is consistency? Please let me know what is consistency in trading. Anyone know about consistency? So one general question, how many of you are willing to take jackpot trades? Like I would invest 100 rupees and I would make thousands, lakhs, CR in crores rupees. How many of you are this with this mindset? Anyone? Okay, the main goal is trading is consistency, not the jackpot trades. Small and steady profits builds the wealth. Tell me the five. Yes, tell me the five wealth making investors according to you, or tell me the five best traders in the world according to you. No one. Okay. The second main thing is engagement. If you are ready to develop a professional trader mindset, type discipline in the chat. Anyone ready to build a professional trader mindset like me? Type discipline in the chat, please. No one? Okay, looks like no one is ready to build the discipline. The first thing of a trader is main thing is discipline. The profits and losses are the part and parcel of loss, but the main thing of trading is first of all is risk management. Second one is risk reward ratio. Third one is position sizing, and the fourth one is patience. And the fifth one, the main thing is patience. Discipline in trading. Have you heard about discipline in trading? No one. Okay. The discipline plays in most of the one of the most vital roles in the stock market. The discipline is the most important thing in the stock market. So now we are going to play a small quiz. So please participate in this quiz. So according to you, if a stock is in uptrend, what should you do? I will give a live example for this also. If a stock is in uptrend, what should a trader or an investor do? Buy the dip, short the eye, or wait for a breakout? What should an investor do? Please let me know so I can give you an example, live example of that. No one? Let me give you a live example. Yes, we are going to see this stock. Yes, as you can see, this stock, the stock name is Bharti Airtel. This stock is currently in upward trend. So, what should an investor do? Should we buy the dip, short the highs, wait for a breakout? What should we do? Buy the dip, short the high, or wait for the breakout? Please comment. I opened the chart in front of you. Is the chart of Bharti Airtel. Okay. As you can see, Bharti Airtel, this stock is currently an upward trend with continuous moving upward. Yes, it has many support and resistance. Let me draw it for you. Yes. So according to me, this stock is buying dips. Yes. Just a second. At what level should an investor exit from this stock? Please give your suggestion in the comment box, please. Yes. So according to me, 1660 levels. Yes, which is around 6% from the current levels. Yes, so this stock is in buy on dip still 1660 levels on the daily basis. Now, what should an investor do if we manage to break 1660 levels? What should an investor do? Please let me know. What if it breaks 1660 levels? Should we wait? Should we exit? According to me, if it breaks 1660 levels, then investor should exit from the stock at this market conditions. This stock is at higher levels. Yes. Now, if we given breakout, what should be the probable target for this stock? Just a second. Can anyone guess? What is the probable targets for this stock? If we see an upward breakout, no one? Yes. So Bharti Airtel's breakout levels stand at 1780 levels. Yes. So you can see 1780 is the breakout levels. If we manage to break that, Bharti Airtel should this something like that. It can go targets will be 1900 2000 levels. The first target will be 1820 levels. Second one would be 1860 levels. The third one will be yes. Yes. So this was the example of yes. So this was the example of a stock is in uptrend. Should you buy? Should you short? Should you hide? Can anyone has a doubt? Anyone has a stock? I can analyze that for you. Anyone has a stock query? Please reply me in the comments. Anyone has a stock query? No one? If you have any stock queries, I can reply in the comment section. Looks like no stock query. So we have seen the best example of trading. Yes. So the last part is we are going to discuss about trading psychology. Yes. There are two trading psychologies. Yes. Have you ever faced a situation where you made profit and lost in the evenings? Does anyone happens with you also? Does anyone made the same mistake? Anyone's in the comment section? Please. Okay, generally happens with most of the traders. Even me was making a loss in the beginning of my, but I followed the most three important stages of the trading. First one is trading psychology. Yes, I am repeating. The first one is trading psychology. The second one is risk management. The third one is risk reward ratio. The fourth one is discipline, and the fifth one is patience. So, what do you learn about today's session from the today's session? Please let me know. Does anyone has doubt about today's session? Okay, no one. Looks like no one has a doubt. So, at the end, I am giving you a bonus trading. Should I give a bonus trading stock of in a stock for investment? Please let me know your choice. Should I give a stock for a investment purpose or should I give a stock for trading purpose? What is trading psychology? Okay, and general example of trading psychology. First, let me ask you a question. What should you do at these levels according to you? So I can know the trading mindset of yours. Please let me. What should you do at the current levels in the stock name SRF? Buy, sell, or hold? What should you do at the current levels? Would you buy the stock? Would you sell the stock? Or would you hold the stock as it is? Yes. So I am giving the best example of trading psychology. According to the trading psychology, as a retail investor will buy the stock thinking it will go up. Yes. But as you can see, the stock is currently trading at its resistance level. Yes, currently trading at its resistance zone. So rather than thinking of buying, one should think of shorting the stock. Yes, shorting the stock at around this level with a target of downside of with an correction of minimum 15 to 20% correction. Yes, just a second. So from the highs, it has corrected over 7.8% in this market condition, which is very less according to me. So an investor should wait at these levels. As you can see, there is a gap at these levels. So according to me, it will fill the gap. Yes. So the gap is at 23,000. Sorry, 2380 levels and 24,000. So an investor should. For investing. Yes, so this is the best example of psychology. And retail investor should thinking of buy. Retail will thinking of buy the stock for the reasons it will go up 32,000, 3,200, 3,300 or 3,400. While yes, so this is the best example of trading psychology. And retail trader would think for buy levels while and a pro trader would short for 2380 levels because they know there's a gap. As you can see, there's a clear gap which should be filled in around 1 or 2 months. Yes, as you know, the gap should be filled. Yes, so this was the gap, it should be filled. So now, which trader are you? Are you a short term trader, are you a long term trader, or are you an investor? Please let me know in the comments so I can know the better. So here's my advice to a short-term traders, long-term traders, or investor. For short-term traders, 60% in high liquidity stocks and 30% in momentum stocks, while a trader should hold 10%, always hold a 10% liquidity cash for the as an emergency fund. For long-term investors, 70% in blue chip stocks, 20% in growth stocks, 10% in gold, ETF, or bonds. So as saying there is correlation. If a stock market goes up, gold and bonds ETF goes down. If golds go down, equities go up. While vice versa, if golds go up, the equity markets goes down. So let us see an example. So as you can see, I have opened the chart of US 30. The US market is down 11% from current high. Just a second. While while we are going to see the chart of gold, yes, the same thing you can see the gold is up by 11.65%. See, so I was explaining there is a correlation. Okay, Raptor is saying a short term trader. Great. So this is the correlation I was talking about. The correlation between equity and metals. Okay, the second one is, does your portfolio looks balanced like this, or it risky? Please let me know. We are coming to the end of a conversion. So the last part I will take. If anyone has a stock queries, does anyone has a stock queries? I can analyze that for you. Does anyone have stock queries? Please let me know in the comments. No queries? Does anyone have stock queries? Please let me know. Now I am going to review a portfolio. Please anyone know in the comment section, comment below. Please comment below. Anyone have stock queries? Okay, no one. Looks like no one has stock queries. Just a second. So that's it from my side. Yes, so that's it from my side. Nice to be with you. Thank you. Thank you so much.